my name is Coach Cailah, and this video I want to show you the proper form for the best results for one of my favorite exercises, the lunge. Now, before you click away, right, a lot of people think that they do lunges right. You don't. There are so many ways, number one, to do a lunge, but also there's so many ways to do it wrong, okay? So in this video, we're going to discuss the proper form of lunges, different styles of lunges, lunge technique for injuries, right? So if you have knee problems and things like that, those will be our main areas. And I want you to comment, let me know what lunges you like to do and let me know all that good stuff. So we'll jump in. All right, so the first thing is, what is the proper lunge? All right, so we want to face diagonal. The proper lunge is stepping out wide. A lot of people have problems with this. A lot of people step out here and it's like, oh, coach, my knees hurt, right? Or they don't step out far enough, right? Or they're only lunging partial, okay? So a full lunge, step, sink down to the floor, knee touches or gets close. Now, check my form, check my feet, all right? You want to make sure that from your ankle to the knee to the hip, this should be a 90-degree angle. From the hip to the knee to the ankle, that should be just about a 90-degree angle as well, okay? So with your lunge, you step wider what you think is necessary. You sink your hips straight down, touch, and pop up. Now, you can do walking lunges or kind of alternating lunges like I'm doing here. Pretty simple, right? You can do your stationary lunge where you step far and you drop here, go low. You can do pulse lunges here where you are focusing on a top range, right? And an end range, right? So beginning and end range that isn't the full extension nor contraction, okay? So different ways there. Now, people do lunges wrong, all right? This is why your knees start to hurt when you lunge. Again, what happens is when we put our knees, unhealthy knees, when we put our knees in a position where it is going so far beyond 90 degrees, all right? Now I want to make a couple statements here. It is important for you to be able to maneuver and manipulate your body to work through its full range of motion. Your knees' full range of motion is as far back as it can go and as straight as it can go. But if it's not healthy just yet, we can't start off with the full. We have to work partial. So one big problem is there's not enough space for your lunge, okay? Now, if you're like me, where I've had double knee surgery, but I've been working on my quads for years, okay? So I can do a small lunge here and focus in on some nice quads. When I'm training for powerlifting, I'm training for bikini, I'm really hitting a lot of pulses here, focusing, right? Because now what I'm doing is I'm limiting my range and focusing on specific musculature, all right? Some other cool variations are like a curtsy lunge. Imagine I've got a skirt on, I'm real cute, got my skirt, but you step out to the side, drop. Here, step out to the side, and drop. Okay, so your curtsy lunge, and you can hold weight in your hands here, right? For a curtsy lunge, you can also do different variations of a lunge where your foot is anchored. Okay, so basically a single leg lunge. It's a little high, but here. I love doing single leg lunges with dumbbells, but also barbells or even bands. So example, I'm gonna grab this. This is a band. I'm going to put my foot inside of my band itself, step back, okay? So this chair here is going to serve as my anchor point. And I'm going to rotate my elbows up, let the band rest around my shoulders, drop and up. Perfect range of motion. This feels really good, okay? And so yes, there's balance involved. Yes, there's form, function, technique involved. And it's amazing for your joints and of course for your quads, all right? Lunges are quad dominant, but also if you want a nice little tush, lunges are great. Let me show you how not to get a tush on your lunges. If you're only lunging here, this 90 degree is only for your quads, majority, okay? But if I were to extend, all right, so I'll show this way. If I were to, so 90 degrees, there's not a lot of movement for my glute. From here to here, that's not a lot of glute contraction. But But if I step out further and I'm here, now my glutes have more to push up with. I feel a huge difference, okay? So your glute lunges can be further, just like your lunges here, okay? So here, because I'm increasing the angle of what my glutes are activated, so doing lunges like a single leg lunge that's elevated, these are better ways to work your glutes. So really quick, short video on one of my favorite leg builders, one of my favorite leg exercises, which is the lunge, okay? So if you want to fix your body, if you want to tone up your quads, even your inner thighs, tone up your glutes, lunges are great options. Now if you want to hit hamstrings, come back for the next video. My name is Coach Cailah. I am the CEO and founder of Design Your Body Academy. Design Your Body Academy is our online fitness, lifestyle, and nutrition coaching program. If you need help designing your body, if you need help building muscle, building strength, losing fat, fixing your nutrition, or just feeling and looking better in the mirror, contact us. I look forward to hearing from you. Also, check out our Facebook group, okay? So I'll drop a link, or matter of fact, you tell me if you are interested in joining our free tips Facebook group. I look forward to hearing from you and checking back at the comments. Always create the opportunity to design your body.